There! I'm back with my reverse coloring book to take care of some anxiety I've been experiencing. And today I'm going to take a different approach because I just got all of these beautiful new Posca markers and I thought I would reverse color with color. Now, if you've seen my other videos or you've seen any other reverse coloring videos, you may have seen that the suggestion for this book is to draw the outlines with different types of pens, but basically using black. And that's what I've done before, but today I just wanted to try something different. First things first, I'm going to activate my poscas, and here in Ecuador, I think it is because of the altitude. No matter how gentle you are, this can happen and the ink can explode. But we're here for the reverse coloring, so let's get that started. Gotta be honest, because this is the first time I was going to reverse color with color, I wanted to choose something that would be easy, and I was between this very muted page and the rainbow one, but because it's my first time I went with the rainbow. I thought it was gonna be easier, and I decided I was gonna reverse color each color with the same color. Does that make sense? I hope it does. I just started really easily since I am doing this to reduce my anxiety. I am not really thinking creatively, but more like the experience. I'm trying to do the experience. So with that said, my first step is again to just trace the watermarks or the edges that I see. I started doing that and I saw like a variety of little hearts that I really wanted to trace in, so I did that. With reverse coloring for like meditation or meditative art, to just do what you feel. To just do what you feel and you do not worry about the end, because this is not about the outcome. We are not planning to frame this. We just want to enjoy it and be in the process and in the moment. So this is what I did. You can see the top of my head in the frame now because I was really into all of this doodling and just drawing what I felt. Lines, curves, dots. I even did something that looked like an eye right there. I just really felt it and enjoy it. I traced some shapes and then just doodle in between. It actually reminded me of when I was a teen and I would talk to my friends for hours on the phone, doodling on some path or notebook. It was really, really satisfying. After I had my fill of doodling and I was feeling great, I decided to draw outside the limits of the page and add some more embellishments. And this page was a really good exercise to get confident in reverse coloring with color, so now I was ready for the really neutral one. And again, I just started tracing like watermarks, and the first thing I saw, which was obviously flowers with this page. I started with my thin Posca, but as soon as that flower was done, I felt it needed a little bit more So I brought out my thicker 5N Poscas and I went over that line. And after that, I just found the flow and started just straight up having fun. Doing a lot of circles, using the flowers kinda in a mandala way, just drawing in there and tracing all the leaves with these arches that really make me feel free. These like circular lines are really relaxing to me, so I just kept making more and more of those. I definitely had so much fun with this page. It was amazing, and it made me think, how fun would it be to make like muddy reverse coloring pages of my own and then just making them brighter. Let me know if that's an idea you'd be interested in me showing you how to make. Okay, so it was time to choose my third and final page, and maybe you saw my other reverse coloring video and you saw how I created this circle page and I loved it with only black. I thought it was gonna be fitting to do another circle page, but now in color. So that's what I did. I just started playing with my markers, tracing some watermarks, trying different designs on the circles, and having fun. There was one point where I was totally overthinking this page and the design. So what I did then was just mix my markers on the side and started just picking random colors to loosen up a little bit. Because again, as I told you in the beginning of this video, reverse coloring for me is not about creating the most beautiful work of art, but about being free, reducing my anxiety, and yes, maybe at the end I'll get some creative ideas, but that's not my main objective. I really want to enjoy this. I really want to loosen my jaw when I do this, so I try to be as random, as free, and as flowy, if that's even a word, as I can. After I chose to be free with my page, I was so happy with it, and it was easier for me to decorate it and keep it funky and just happy. So I added a lot of extra details, and I was so happy with the result. And time to see what I made. I'm so lucky I have another reverse coloring book in the house, so I can show you the before and after. Here's the rainbow page. Here is the flower one, which I enjoyed so much. It made me so happy to take it from what I saw as mucky to bright and beautiful. Finally, of course, my happy little circle page. Like, how fun would this pattern be on a water bottle? I don't know. Anyhow, let me know if you're interested in that idea of creating our own reverse coloring pages so I can make a video about that. And as always, I hope you enjoyed this content. Let me know with a like, and I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful week. Bye.